everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Kathy. I'm so excited to be doing today's video. It is my top 5 makeup brushes and it is a collab with Julie's Mimosa. If you haven't met Julie yet, be sure to go over and check out her channel. She's a very soft-spoken, genuine woman. I feel like I've known Julie for a very long time. She's just the type of person that you feel an instant connection with. When I watch her videos, I actually feel like I'm sitting down with an old friend. She has a lot of great, informative videos on her channel. She does product reviews, videos on makeup, skincare, and hair care. The link for her channel will be below. Please go visit Julie and tell her Kathy says hi. And if you've just come over from Julie's channel, welcome. I like to think of my channel as a magazine. My channel is all about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, traveling, cooking, all sorts of different videos, sort of something for everyone. And I recently just started a Weight Watchers support group. If you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So Julie and I are each choosing our top 5 makeup brushes, the brushes that I guess we always reach for, or they are our favorites. And it's going to be real interesting to see Julie's video because we haven't discussed what our favorites are with each other. And in no particular order. The first one is by IT Cosmetics, and it is the Superhero 4-in-1 Eye Transforming Super Shadow and Liner Brush. It's one brush, but you're actually getting 4 brushes in one. It has an all-over shadow brush, a crease shadow brush, a smudge brush, and an angled eyeliner brush. And it's perfect for traveling or for a beginner or somebody that just doesn't want a whole lot of brushes. This is a handy little tool to have, and IT Cosmetics makes some of the nicest and softest brushes, and they're cruelty-free. Now this handy little brush, on this end you have the angled liner brush, and on this end, I'm going to hold it so you can sort of see, there's these markings. So right now it is on a smudge, so if you wanted to go to your crease, you would just bring it down a notch. And then if you want an all-over brush, you just bring it down to there. So I love to travel with this brush. It's perfect. The next brush that I have is probably one of my very favorite brushes, and it's by Real Techniques, and it is their blush brush. This brush is very affordable. You can pick it up at the drugstore or on Amazon, and I find it's just the perfect size to do my blush for my face. It contours and defines your cheeks for flawlessly blended high-definition results. It's super plush, and it has synthetic bristles that are hand-cut, and it's 100% cruelty-free. And I love it also because it's pink, and pink is one of my favorite colors. The next brush that is a recent purchase to me is the Sigma Tapered Highlighter, the F35. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I'm crazy about highlighting, and this brush just makes it so easy. This brush is perfect for dusting powder on your cheekbones, your temples, your nose, and the corners of your eyes. I just love it. I find it's the perfect size for my face again. It's cruelty-free, and I love highlighting, so anything to do with highlighting just makes me happy, and I just love this brush. The next brush is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Perfecting Foundation Brush, and excuse the dirt on the end of it, I just used it to film this makeup look that I have on. It's infused with anti-aging collagen, silk, peptides, niacin, and antioxidants. This innovative brush technology instantly improves the look of your skin upon application, and it really does deliver every time. It allows me to apply my foundation or my CC cream just smoothly and effortlessly. It's super soft, and again, it's cruelty-free. And last but not least is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Brush. It's a 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush specially designed for eye contouring, with a tapered end for defining and a domed end for blending. It has synthetic bristles, but wait, look at how it was delivered. In its own coffin. I just kept this. I had to show you guys. I don't store it in this. I just put it in my brush holder, but I thought that was cute. So those are my top 5 favorite makeup brushes. If you've come over from Julie's channel, thank you so much. I hope that you will stick around and subscribe to my channel. And if my viewers have not yet met Julie, please go over, check out her video, which will be linked below in the description box, as well as all the products that I mentioned. But I'd like to leave you with a bonus because I can never do just 5, and that is my favorite brush cleanser. And the one that I find that has worked the best for me is the Beauty Blender cleanser, and I just recently purchased the Pro size. I haven't used it yet, but I just wanted to show you. It's pretty big. I've only ever used the tiny little white ones, but this comes with a nice little drying mat, and it's a pretty good size. So I will let you know what I think about the Pro size after I finish cleaning my brushes, which I have to do. Thank you, Julie, for doing this collab. It's been a pleasure getting to know you a little bit more, and it's been an absolute pleasure working with you on this collab. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.